Well, I am sorry to say, Woody, that I have that bad word to share with you again. That I said it earlier, and here it comes. I'm just preparing you ahead of time.
Oh,
Tax.
oh. I knew it was coming at least. Thanks for the warning.
Yeah, there we go. It's that bad word once again that nobody likes, but we're helping folks navigate the tax problem here in a smart tax strategy. As they're planning for their retirement. So that's kind of the last piece of the smart retirement plan that we'll cover today is smart tax. So lay out what that means to be smart about your taxes.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, Matt, I mean, we're never going to tell people, in most cases that you can avoid taxation on your assets or your income. There are very rare occasions when you can avoid it altogether. And, one of those rare occasions is with an indexed universal life insurance policy. And that is a rare case where you can pay premiums into it and build a cash value over the long run based upon the returns on an index that policy is built upon, and potentially withdraw from it on a tax-free basis later on in life as you get into your retirement lane, coming up on it or in it.